How to remove a payment method in Exness. First of all, open the app on your device and make sure you are logged in. From the dashboard, choose whether you want to deposit or withdraw funds, as the payment method management options are available under both sections. Select the payment method you want to remove, such as a bank card, e-wallet or cryptocurrency option. Once selected, you will see the details of the linked account or wallet. Tap on the option to remove or unlink the payment method. Confirm your choice when prompted to ensure it is removed from your Exness account. After completing this process, the payment method will no longer be associated with your Exness account. Next time when you deposit or withdraw, you can add a new payment method or use another linked account. Remember, only remove payment methods that you no longer use or trust to keep your account secure. Now you know how to remove a payment method in Exness. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more trading tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.